So he's home. Tell him what you came home for. What you came home to for dinner.
Nothing. Zip zero.
Tell them what you're going to do to get your get food in your belly.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do?
I don't know. I'm asking you a question. What do you think I have some? No, you answer the question.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
No, you forgot those. Actually, don't look forward to anything from me. Okay? Just enjoy what I give you. That's so bad and so wrong. But you know, that's how I. Hi guys, it's me again for another Vlogmas day. I don't know what I'm doing with my life these days. I really don't know what I'm doing with my life. First of all, today is Thursday. No, yeah, today's Thursday, December 20 something. Don't ask me, but I know it's a few days before Christmas because today's the 22nd because tomorrow's the 23rd, which I just ordered presents online for my children. And it's supposed to get here on Friday, which is the 23rd. I was kind of cutting it a little bit close because one child didn't have anything at all. And then tomorrow I'm waiting for everything to get here. Then I take it out the car, record what I got my children for Christmas. Maybe or maybe not. Don't look forward to that video. And wrap it, which I might record, maybe or maybe not. Don't look forward to that video either. Actually, don't look forward to anything from me, okay? Just enjoy what I give you. That's so bad and so wrong, but you know, that's how I do things. I'm sorry guys, but if you're here, you know that's how I roll, and that's one of the reasons why you guys like me, right? I think so. Anyways, back to the madness. So Christmas is on Sunday. We go to the in-laws house because they're Spanish, because my husband is Spanish. They celebrate Christmas at midnight on the 24th. So on the 24th, when it turns midnight, it's the 25th. So that's when they celebrate Christmas. That's when they open presents. So they eat typically on Saturday in the evenings, and they do all of that, and then they count down for Christmas. Kids open their presents and all that, yada yada yada. Adults stay up and conversate or whatever. And then for me, we celebrate Christmas on the 25th, the actual day. You know, you wake up, but it's kind of hard because we're never home, because my husband does not like to drive back from his parents' house to our house, which is like 45 minutes away. So we just stay there. So we don't wake up in our home on Christmas morning. So it's kind of weird. So it's like later on during the day on Christmas that our children open their presents. So yeah. Anyways, yada yada yada. I'm rambling. So I haven't done anything. Like literally, I haven't done anything. I haven't shopped for stocking stuffers. I haven't stuffed the stocking. I haven't done jack anything. Okay, I haven't done anything. Hopefully today, my daughter likes watching Beautiful Drea. I don't know if you guys heard me talk about her before. She's supposed to be, why am I so yellow? Well, I don't know why I'm yellow. She's supposed to be down in our area today, and we're supposed to be meeting up, hopefully, because my daughter gets off at 4 o'clock. So I'm hoping everything works out and she gets to meet Drea. When she's not watching child appropriate videos, I allow her to watch a few YouTubers. I used to let her watch Chapters of Our Lives channel. She was really into the children, but because she stopped vlogging her children as much as she used to, I don't know, she's very mature for her age. She's very mature for her age. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Maddie's with me. Of course, Maddie's always with me. She's sleeping right now. Over there on the bed. On bed. Guys, seriously, pay attention. She's on the bed. Can you see her? Can you see her? That no, you can't see over there. I don't know why I'm doing that, but Maddie's on the bed. She's finally sleeping. But oh my gosh, guys, why is this child like? Let me give you guys a better lighting. Like, is that better? Do you guys like that? Like, oh, look at that. Ooh, oh, I think no, I'm too yellow. This is more natural. No, I'm too black. Ooh, no, that's not working. Let's see over here. Ooh, beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Is that the wind outside? It better be the wind, because it didn't sound right. Anyways, this is perfect. But tell me why Madison is not sleeping these days. Like, this child woke up yesterday and she literally stayed up from 10 a.m. until 11 p.m. That's over 13 hours. If I did the math correctly. And you all know I'm not good at math. I used to be at one point, but I'm not anymore. Yeah, like seriously, I don't know. She was just feeding and feeding and feeding, and as soon as I rock her and put her down, like I would rock her and she would fall asleep, and I would put her down, and then boom, the child's up again. I was like, and then my husband came home. He's like, where's dinner? If you don't get out of my face with that question, where's dinner? Are you excused? Like seriously, I have a newborn in my hand that haven't been to sleep since 10 a.m. You might want to go cook yourself your own food. Like seriously, where's dinner? But I think he got the gist because he got up and went to cook dinner. So yeah, thumbs up to hubby for cooking his own dinner. But I've been doing laundry for like 2 days now. 2 whole days, and it's still one load. Like I've been washing the same load over and over because I keep forgetting it. I feel like there's someone at my door, but there's a big old wreath on my door, so it's probably the wind pushing it back and forth to knock on my door. I don't know, it's a big old wreath on my door because you know I'm big and bold and loud. Ooh, Maddie's up. Let's go see what Maddie's doing. But anyways, guys, Jesus, I don't understand why I pack all that stuff behind the door, have this big old booty back here. No, really, I have that big old thing back there and try to squeeze through that little narrow opening. See, I told you I'm not good at math. That is a math problem, right? I think so. But look guys, look, still doing laundry. That was supposed to be my white load. Now it's becoming my white and my colored load. Gotta resort. It is 1:43 and I just missed a call. See who that is? If only you would focus. My man is calling me at 1:43 p.m. Probably just to check on me, to make sure that everything is going accordingly. Like, you know, laundry is being done, I'm prepping dinner. But Maddie, oh, and don't worry guys, she's not at the stage where she's pushing or bad mother. Don't leave your child at the edge of the bed. No excuse whatsoever. Don't do it, okay? Do not do it. Big disclaimer, I'm bad. Don't follow me. It's 1:44. I was supposed to go to the store, but the way our bank account is set up, can't afford to do that. No. Keep my money in my account, okay? If I don't go outside, if I don't go to the store, we save money. So I'm always home. Yeah, because if I go out, I'm gonna buy unnecessary crap, because right now I am tempted to go out to go get stuff to fill a stocking. Why do I need to go out and get stuff to fill a stocking? Why do I need to fill a stocking? To please my children? But I'm gonna do it though because that's what yeah, that's the meaning of Christmas, right? Was someone just right there? Did you guys see? Is it me? Or did someone just... I think I'm suffering from something because I'm starting to see things.
Look who's waking up. Maddie. He needs to stay asleep. He just went to sleep. Look, she's searching for me. Look at her hand. She was like, you were just here. Where did you go? Are you searching for mommy? She's like, I hear your voice. Where are you? I'm gonna go feed her, guys. Maddie and I are hanging out. Oh, I need to get these big jumbo doodle braids out of my hair. They keep going in her face. I'm thinking of taking my braids out and perming my hair. Because, you know, I don't like these little black grainy things here. Because my hair curls up like really fine. They call it nappy naps. Or whatever you want to call it. The way my hair is set up is that once my perms start to grow out, these my edges rolls up like little beady beads and it annoys me. So I'm gonna take my braids down. I'm gonna take my beautiful braids down that I did over 3 months ago. Yes, over 3 months ago, and I keep telling myself, keep it in, so that you can tell yourself that you did it in October of last year and then kept it until the following year. You know, it's kind of nice to say, oh, I did my hair last year and I still have it this year. Yeah, but I don't know what to do with my hair. I keep thinking, okay, take it down, wear wigs. I don't have any wigs because I got rid of all my wigs because once they start to mat up and all that, I don't want anything. I don't really do sew-ins because, you know, the way my head is set up, I don't want to be... I don't like anything permanently slapped onto my head. So I don't really wear sew-ins. I don't do sew-ins. And if I can't take it off, because this, you know, this is different. The other hair that is like, I don't know, it makes me hot. This hair is kind of more, it's more breathable on my head. Let's not go there. This is why I don't wear wigs, because it makes me hot. I like to wear my own hair, but people have a problem with that because they think I look like a child. Like, people have a problem with me looking like a child. I don't know why they have a problem with me looking like a child, because I should have a problem with me looking like a child, not them. But they have a problem with me looking like a child. Even though my husband doesn't mind. I don't know what he thinks I look like, but evidently he likes the way I am. Like, 10 years of marriage? Like, seriously, the man has to have something that keeps him... Let's not go there. I don't know what makes my husband stick around, because I sure don't cook his dinner on time. I don't cook the man dinner on time. And I sure don't wash his laundry the same day every week for him to have it, because the way that I do laundry, I kind of like wash the color out of his clothes, like his colored clothes, because the way I do laundry is I will do laundry, like say I'll do laundry today. This is a little secret, guys. Don't tell anyone. Shh, don't tell anyone. But the way I do laundry is I put it in. Say I'll put a load in right now, I'll forget about it, and then when I go to put it in the dryer, when I go to put in another load, I realize that I left the last load from the last time, and then when I go to put in the dryer, it's like, what's that smell? And then I'm like, ooh, it's the clothes, and then I have to rewash it, and if I forget about it, and I go to do another load the next day, then I'm like, what's that smell? And then I rewash it. So I find that I'm always rewashing the same side. But I don't do it. Yeah, I don't do it that often though. I'm very good at keeping up with laundry now. When I was younger, it was hard because, you know, it's kind of hard to get used to having a big family at such a young age. You know, it's hard. You know, it's hard. Having a big family, it's hard. But I'm getting used to it, you know, I'm getting used to it. I'm becoming a pro now. Not to give anyone any tips, because that's why I don't do day in the life videos, like mommy routine this, mommy this is how I do. No, you're not going to see that from me. You might evidently see me show you something that I'm doing, but it's not like it's a routine or anything where it's set in stone and I do that every day, every week. No. Yeah, I won't even give you guys my secret. I won't even, shh. The baby's waking up. I probably should move her from the edge of the bed though, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna come for me and say, move that baby from... Yeah, I'm gonna get her. It's just that I don't want to move her while she's sleeping, but I'm here though. I'm here. And I won't do it in a couple weeks or a couple days probably, because babies grow so fast and they do things so fast, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna move her though. But thank you guys for your concern. I really do appreciate you guys being concerned, because if you guys weren't concerned, then I wouldn't have a need to be cautious. Or yeah, you being concerned helps me to be a better mom. You know what I mean? You understand what I'm saying, right? So yeah. But anyways, anyway guys, I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna go do something. I feel like I need to, guys, tell me why I get up, right? And I drank a big old mug of iced coffee thinking it would give me energy. It didn't give me, no, there was no energy. None. Zero. Nilch. Nothing. If anything, it made me sleepy. Maybe I should go drink another mug, but the way how my iced coffee making is set up, it has to be in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours, so, yeah. But anyways, guys, anyways, I'm gonna go. If I don't have anything else to come back and talk to y'all about, yeah, I'm gonna go. But I'm gonna go do a tag. Just for you guys. So if you see it, just know you guys are the reason why I did that. So I'll see you guys in the tag.
Guys, guess who's home?
Daddy.
My boss is home. My boss is home. My boss is home. Right there. Looking like a pildo berry, huh, Bruce Brothers? Hi, Daddy. So, he's home. Tell him what you came home for. What you came home to for dinner.
Nothing. Zip, zero.
Tell them what you're going to do to get your get food in your belly.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do?
I don't know. I'm asking you a question. What you think I have some? No, you answer the question.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
No, you forgot those. Oh, let me turn off this lady. You see that? I'm very talented with my my feet, my toes. So, my hubby's home, all up in them nostrils.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, you fogged up the lens. Oh my gosh. So we're supposed to do the husband and me tag today. He said he was gonna do it with me. You know how long he's supposed to do it with me? Almost 1 year now. Oh my gosh. These children pop up out of nowhere. That's what happens when you have so many children.
I'm hungry.
They just pop up out. Really? Really? You have to tell the whole world you're hungry?
I'm hungry.
Hi.
You're not hungry. You don't look hungry. That's not. This is not what hungry people look like.
Starving person. Right
This is what starving person looks like.
You're not doing.
I'm not hungry, okay, people? I'm not hungry. I'm battery dead.
He looks like a bear. Just kidding. He's not a bear.
He's not a bear. What is he?
Human.
Daddy broke my.
Alright, people, so I'm battery dead. So I'm gonna go because I never cook no food and there's nothing else in this food. Oh, my husband is fancy today because he buy a bottle of Cavassier. A Cavassier. Whatever, I'm gonna get the gist. I'm not supposed to drink it because him is a Christian. Don't follow that bad Christian over there. Bad Christian. Christian don't drink alcohol. I don't know. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. And I will see you guys on the top it nice. May I try to end the video. Top it nice. Shh, be quiet. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Me trying to end the video before the battery dead. Anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I won't run with that pit here, man. Anyways, I will clap you over, Gio. Anyway, thank you guys. Stop it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And I will talk to y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.